Road surveyors play a crucial role in the development and maintenance of transportation infrastructure. These professionals are responsible for conducting detailed surveys of roads and highways to gather important data and information. In Udyog Vihar, Gurgaon, road surveyors are in high demand due to the rapid urbanization and industrial development in the area. With the presence of numerous corporate offices, manufacturing units, and commercial establishments, the need for well-designed and well-maintained roads is paramount. Udyog Vihar is a prominent industrial estate located in Gurgaon, Haryana. It is home to several multinational companies and has witnessed significant growth over the years. The presence of a large number of businesses in this area necessitates the efficient management of traffic flow and road infrastructure. Road surveyors in Udyog Vihar, Gurgaon, are instrumental in ensuring that the roads are designed to accommodate the growing traffic while maintaining safety standards. One of the key aspects of road surveying in Udyog Vihar, Gurgaon, is SCON design. SCON, which stands for Survey Control Network, is a critical component of road construction and maintenance. It involves establishing precise control points along the road network to ensure accuracy in measurements and alignment during various stages of construction. Road surveyors utilize advanced equipment and techniques to establish these control points, such as DGP's technology and total stations. The role of road surveyors in Udyog Vihar, Gurgaon, goes beyond just conducting surveys and establishing control points. They also play a vital role in analyzing survey data and preparing detailed reports that provide valuable insights into the condition of existing roads and potential areas for improvement. Furthermore, road surveyors collaborate with other professionals involved in road construction projects, such as civil engineers and urban planners. In the creation and upkeep of transportation infrastructure, road surveyors are essential. To obtain crucial data and information, these experts are in charge of conducting thorough surveys of roads and highways. Due to the area's growing industrial and urbanization, road surveyors are in high demand in Udyog Vihar, Gurgaon. The necessity for well-designed and well-maintained highways is critical given the abundance of corporate headquarters, manufacturing facilities, and commercial organizations. The well-known industrial complex Udyog Vihar is situated in Gurgaon, Haryana. It is the location of a number of global corporations and has experienced rapid growth. Due to the abundance of enterprises in the area, it is essential to manage traffic and the road system effectively. In Udyog Vihar, Gurgaon, road surveyors play a crucial role in ensuring that the roads are built safely and to accommodate the increasing traffic. SCON design is one of the most important elements of road surveying in Udyog Vihar, Gurgaon. SCON, or Survey Control Network, is an essential element in building and maintaining roads. To maintain precision in measurements and alignment during various construction stages, it entails setting up accurate check stations along the road network. These control points are established by road surveyors using cutting-edge tools and methods, including DGP total stations. They are essential in the analysis of survey data and the creation of